Welcome to ERPCA. Now, we will see how to create new inward. On Dashboard page, click on Utilities menu button. And select Inward, Outward option. We will see Inward Registration page. Click on Action drop-down button. Select Create Inward option. My Inward page will open. Now fill all inward detail properly. On right-hand side of Fill Invert Detail, we will see Format of Receipt. As per given inward detail information, we will see now the receipt is created. Click on Submit button. On Inward Registration page, we will see New Inward is added with pending status. We can delete or edit Inward with help of Action drop-down button. Thank you. With ERPCA, practice with ease.